Hi, beautiful people of the Chubby Babies family. You're welcome back to Chubby Babies Kitchen. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make a very delicious and nutritious snacks that your babies would love. Remember in our last video, I told you that there are some things that you give to your babies which you call snacks that shouldn't even come in as snacks because it is unhealthy and can only be ladening them with unhealthy fats, eventually leading to obesity. Some of those things are sweets, biscuits, puff puff, meat pie, and all of that. These are unhealthy snacks. In fact, they are junks and can only cause your baby to gain unhealthy weight. That is why in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make the fluffiest and most delicious French toast. I remember the morning that I made these snacks in my house for my daughter. Like, she was so happy. The only thing she was exclaiming was, "Mommy, this is so yummy." It was super delicious. As a parent, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing your child enjoy the meals that you prepare. And that is why in this video, I'll be letting out my secret to preparing the fluffiest and most delicious French snacks. This snacks is a snack that has been passed from generations through generation, which means that it doesn't you can make it from the comfort of your kitchen with just few ingredients, and you wouldn't even be spending much. Just natural ingredients in your kitchen. You'll be preparing these snacks for your babies, for your toddlers, and even for yourself. It is very fit for babies from 4 months to 6 months, and even to toddlers, to adults, and anybody can enjoy it. So if you want to learn how to make these healthy snacks for your baby, come with me into the kitchen, and then ensure you watch the video from the beginning till the end so that you would know how to prepare it for the different ages. So whichever age your child falls into, you would know how to make it for your child. And then don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you won't even be getting updates on my recipes. But when you become a subscriber, once I drop a recipe, it will appear on your timeline, and then you come and watch it. If it applies to you, you enjoy it. All right, please like this video, comment, and share to other moms so that it will get to a whole lot of people. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. One of the ingredients we'll be using for this French toast is bread, and I'm making use of wheat bread. Now, when it comes to choosing bread for babies, it is very essential to consider the nutritional needs and the digestive system. So the reason why I am using wheat bread is because it is higher in fiber, rich in nutrients, and has lower glycemic index, which means that it has a tendency to regulate blood sugars. So yes, wheat bread is strongly advisable for your babies. But in the absence of wheat bread, you can do with white bread. I started by cutting the bread into slices. When you cut your bread into slices, make sure that the slices are about 1 to 2 inches thick. This will help the bread to soak up the mixture that we're gonna make in the video later on. Go ahead to trim the crust off the bread. Now, this is an important step, especially for babies and toddlers, as it helps to prevent any choking hazards. You can either trim the crust off using a knife like you see me doing, or simply tear it off with your fingers, easy peasy. So for the sake of this video, I am using a knife to cut off the crust. This bread crumbs that is being cut out can be used for another snack idea, and I'll be teaching you that in the next video. So no part of this bread is a waste, but for the sake of this French toast, we need to remove the crust because of our babies and toddlers. Now that our bread is ready, let's move on to the next step. Our next ingredient is egg, and here I am using 1 whole raw egg. You may decide to use 2 or 3 depending on the number of children you have and the belly size of the children taking the toast. Crack the egg into a bowl and then set it aside. The third ingredient is milk, and here we have a cup of milk. Please listen up. If your baby is between 4 months to 11 months, please do well to use infant formula, or if you have enough breast milk, you can use breast milk. But if your baby is from 1 year to any age, even if you're an adult and you want to have snacks, use any cow's milk that is full cream. That will help you to gain weight faster. Thank me later. So I measured out half cup of milk, and we are headed directly to the egg that we cracked in a bowl. Pour the milk directly into the egg. This is looking almost yummy, right? Please, if you have watched up to this moment and you love this video or you are loving this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are wrong. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share this video. And if you are a new subscriber, you are highly welcomed, and the OGs in the house, thank you so much for staying put on my channel. Please do well to subscribe, please. Ensure to mix the egg and the milk so well to make sure that the eggs are fully incorporated. Next to go in is a sweetener, and we are using Maki Food 100% date syrup. Now this date syrup is a game changer. If you have a picky eater, this is one best secret to help your picky eater eat better. So add this date syrup generously into whatever you are giving them. I like to bring in all categories of children, picky eater, foodie, and the like. So if your baby is picky, you will need to add this date syrup generously into their snacks. Alright, so this is a game changer. Ensure you get one for your baby. Next is to go in with quarter cup of Maki Foods date syrup. Oh my god, this date syrup is highly concentrated. Can you feel it? Concentrated and so sweet. So a little goes a long way, right? So measure out quarter spoon of the date syrup and transfer it straight into the mixture you have already. Let me tell you one secret about this date syrup. This date syrup is highly loaded with calories. So if you have a baby who is deficient of weight gain and you want your baby to gain weight, please incorporate date syrup into their diet. It will help them to gain weight. This is tested and trusted. Now whisk the date syrup thoroughly with the milk. Mix everything together until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. This egg mixture is the key to making our French toast extra fluffy and delicious. If your baby is picky, please do well to add more date syrup. The goal is to get them to eat. I'm a foodie. I love babies that eat, and I love chubby babies, and I know you do as well. Now that our egg mixture is ready, it is time to assemble and cook our French toast. Now take each slice of bread and slice it further into two, which means that on each slice you'll be having two smaller slices. Do that for all the slices of the bread that you have. This will make it easier for your babies to hold and eat, and it will make it easier for toddlers not to choke on it, right? But if you're an adult, you may decide to eat it whole, but for me, I still prefer it this way, even for an adult. So make sure you slice them into smaller pieces. Transfer them straight into a clean plate and get them ready to be beautified. Now to the fun part of the recipe, take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, cutting both sides evenly. Try to make sure to let any excess egg mixture to drip off. As you are bringing them out, kindly transfer them into another plate. This will help the egg mixture to soak into the bread very much. Now repeat this process for all of the bread slices that you have. If the mixture happen to be too small and cannot take all the slices of the bread that you have, you can repeat the process of mixing more egg mixtures, right? So try to repeat the process for all of the slices of the bread that you have and keep them in a plate. This will help the mixture to get into the bread very, very well. Trust me, this is a yummy snack that your baby would love. It is getting yummy already. So let's move to the next step. Proceed to heat a non-stick pan over a medium heat and grease it with some butter or oil. Here I am using unsalted butter, the best unsalted butter brand. I dropped a video on the best type of butter your baby should be having. If you haven't watched the video, this is the link up here. Please do well to watch the video. Not all kinds of butter are healthy for your baby. Remember, you should protect your baby's heart even from infancy. So not all butter you see in the market that is healthy for your baby. Try to watch this video and be informed. do the right thing for your baby. So melt the butter over a low heat on the fire and allow it to dissolve completely. Spray the oil to be evenly distributed across the pan. This will help to prevent burning and help the toast to form very well. Go ahead to place the bread slices in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until the bread is golden brown. Use a spatula to press down on the bread to ensure that it bakes or cooks evenly. Press on each of them to make sure that it cooks evenly. After a while, use a spatula to carefully flip the French toast and cook the other side. You may need to adjust the heat to prevent burning. Do this for all of the bread that you have in the pan and ensure you are cooking it on low heat. Can you see that our French toast is taking its design already? Do this for all of the bread in the pan. Flip them aside and let it toast. Once you have flipped one side to the other side, allow it to cook on a low heat as well, and then remove it from the fire. For the second one, ensure you add a little bit of butter to the pan again and then spread it evenly. Go in with the second batch of the bread and repeat the same process just like you did for the first. This French toast is very healthy and delicious for babies, toddlers, and adults as well. Now, if your baby is losing weight and you are looking for a fast action to help your baby gain weight, this French snacks is a snack you should embark on. Now, for babies, you can try topping it with mashed bananas. And how do you do this? After preparing this French toast, you mash some bananas, rub it on the French toast and cut it in bits for your baby, or blend it up for them to eat. It will help them to gain weight fast. You can also top it with avocado, mashed avocado, blend it up together and feed your baby. Then scrambled egg. If your baby is such that eats on their own, like baby-led weaning, babies eating on their own, you can scramble some eggs, spread it on the French toast, cut the French toast into smaller bits and place it on their feeding table for them to pick and eat. You can also puree some fruits such as apple, pear, watermelon and blend it together with the French toast. Trust me when I tell you that this will make them to gain massive weight. This is the best snack you can give to your baby without fear of preservative, colorings or any nonsense added. This will help them to gain weight. I'm a nutritionist and I am telling you. Now for toddlers, you can try topping it with fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries or grapes. You can also wipe some cream on it and then you can use syrup like maple or honey syrup. All these are calorie dense food that will also boost the calorie effect on the French toast. And then you can also sprinkle some mulled date syrup on it. Remember to always supervise your little ones while they are eating and to cut the French toast into small, manageable pieces to avoid choking. And so for an adult that wants to gain weight, you can take this with pap, any of the Mackey's pap. You can take it with your oatmeal. You can even sprinkle honey on it and take it as your snack to your place of work. You can eat it with fruit toppings. You can eat it with stew. In fact, anything that will help to boost your calorie. You can also take it with tea. It will definitely work in your favor. For babies who started solids at 4 months or for babies who are 6 months but cannot yet chew on the snacks, this is what you should do for them. After preparing the French toast, transfer it straight into the blender, the quantity they can finish at the moment. Transfer it straight into the blender. Go in with 1 cup of baby formula, breast milk or any age appropriate milk. Drizzle in some Mackey's date syrup into the blender as well. This date syrup will help to increase the calorie count for your baby. So this snacks is very good for babies who want to add weight. If your baby is on the slim side, this is how you should do it. So if your baby is aged between 4 months to maybe 7 months and they cannot chew on the snacks, please do it this way for them. Let them drink it up, because the nutritional benefit of these snacks is not something you should forgo. At this point now, if you have some bananas, apple, or any fruit of your choice, this is the point where you can add it into their puree. Please try to make every of their meal count. I beg you mothers, try to make every of your baby's meal to count. You will love your babies, trust me. So I added one finger of banana into this French toast puree and then puree it up as well. If you also have Mackey's chubby butter or Mackey's weight gain powder, this is the point where you can incorporate all of them. This is for babies who do not have teeth to chew, or babies who cannot eat snacks for now. This is how you should do it for them. You know I love you all, right? That is why I always give you recipes that caters for all ages. So whether your baby is 4 months, 6 months, or toddlers, or you are even a mom or a dad that wants to add weight in the right places, I am here for you. I have recipes that caters for all age brackets. I don't want anybody to feel cheated. That is why I am doing all of this to cater for every child and his or her needs. And that's it, guys. Our French toast is cooked to perfection. You can serve it warm, topped with your little one's favorite fruits, syrups, or even whipped cream. You can also serve this with pap, porridges, oats, tea, or whatever healthy meal you have for your baby. Trust me, they will love this one. It can also come in handy for toddlers' school snacks. So each time your toddler is going to school, arrange this and put it in their snacks box and let them go to school with it. You won't spend a dime buying unhealthy snacks for your baby anymore. See, mommy, daddy, for that's your toddler, that's your baby that has refused to gain weight despite trying everything on the planet Earth, and you feel that they are the worst kind of babies and they can never gain weight. Embark on this kind of snacks for them. You see this combo you are seeing on my screen? Just start it. What we have here is Mackey's banana pap, very healthy, and then puree. French toast puree on another level, and French toast proper. Embark on these snacks for your baby and thank me later. In fact, thank God later. If you want more snacks recipe ideas, please indicate in the comment section that you want more snacks ideas. Or if you want any kind of meal for your baby, indicate in the comment section that you want more of this kind of recipe, and I will sure be dropping it. And that is a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this video recipe for French toast that is perfect for babies and toddlers. Remember, cooking with your little ones is a great way to bond and create lifelong memories. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new recipes together. If you try out this recipe, be sure to tag us in your Instagram posts, on Facebook, or wherever you enjoy posting so we can see your creations. Thank you so much for watching Chubby Baby's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos and parenting tips. Lest I forget, this French toast can serve for both morning, afternoon, or evening snacks. It depends on the time you were able to make it. So whichever time you administer it to your child is very okay. Congratulations and welcome to Weight Gain. Let's raise a healthy, happy, and chubby babies together. And until next time, remain blessed and bye-bye.